So I just recently upgraded my record player, but the problem I found myself in now is I have to buy some other stuff to have this new record player work with my current sound system. My old record player has a Bluetooth connection, which I was using to connect to my soundbar, and it also comes with like a inbuilt preamp, right? The new one is kind of like the retro type of record player. I mean, it's definitely an upgrade from the previous one. Like even the build quality, the quality of it overall is just a better record player. But I would have to like pretty much have like a legit record player setup, like have a preamp to it and also like bookshelf speakers. The problem is I don't want to do none of that because I've already got like so many stuff going on in my apartment, right? And I pretty much like my soundbar a lot. The sound quality is very good on my soundbar, and it works pretty well with my previous record player. So I went on Amazon and picked up this device. This is a Bluetooth transmitter and receiver. I'm trying to use this to my new record player and see if this will let me connect to my soundbar so I can have the same experience as my previous one, but with an upgrade to this one, right? So that's what I'm about to do right now. Let's get this set up and see if it works. Okay, so this is the preamp. I've already connected the preamp. All I need to do now is connect this to the preamp and try to pair this with my soundbar. This goes here. And this one actually has a battery in it as well. So you can pretty much charge it and use it. But the battery is not that good, right? So I'm not going to use the battery in this. So instead what I did, I just have the charger plugged onto the outlet over there. And it's gonna be connected to this like all the time, so I don't have to worry about like recharging it. So I'll connect it to power. And also I have a 3M tape that I put over here that will let me just put this thing in place like this. Boom. See that? Okay, let's see if this thing gonna work now.
Connected to Bluetooth.
You hear that? Yes. So that's pretty much the soundbar connected to this Bluetooth receiver that I have. I'm gonna try to play something on there real quick. I'm not gonna really play for too long because of copyright issues. So I'll just like beep beep. Right? But you get the point. Let me try something real quick and we can go from there. Alright, so that's pretty much it. As you can see, the Bluetooth transmitter works pretty well, and the sound quality is still pretty good. I tried multiple records on it actually, but not gonna include those on this video because of copyright issues. So if you're looking to add Bluetooth functionality to your record player, definitely pick up this device. It's pretty cheap as well on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description, so check this out. But yeah, thanks so much for sticking to the end of this. I hope you guys find value in this video. Hit the thumbs up if you did. And also check out my other videos. I do lots of helpful videos like this, travel vlogs, DIYs, inspirational content, so check them out. Thanks once more. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.